I created an end-to-end content production workflow that can take a topic, do all the keyword research, and turn it into a fully optimized SEO article that ranks. This is the exact template that got one of my clients from 4,000 sessions per month to 120,000 sessions in just a handful of months. But if you use it out of the box, you run into the same problem as every other AI content generator out there. You're just rehashing what's already online, so there's no reason for Google to rank your content over what already exists. So I built a tone of voice skill that solves this. It asks you targeted questions, figures out what's unique about you and your experience, and creates a voice guide that makes sure every piece of content has your voice and perspective baked in. Once I did this for my clients, we saw their content hitting the top spots faster than anything I'd ever seen in my 10 plus years as an SEO consultant. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to build your own voice guide using Claude Code, step by step. And by the end, you'll have a voice guide file that you can plug into any content workflow. So let's get into it. Okay, so we're here in the terminal and we're going to start the tone of voice skill. And you've got different options. You can use a URL to your blog, or you can use your YouTube channel. And in this case, we're going to use the URL from a blog that my friend created about ADHD. And what it's going to do is it's going to start reading, and the whole thing is completely interactive. So it walks you through everything step by step. So it's asking me, do I want to pick her best pieces myself, or should I choose from what's on the page? And what will I use this for? I want you to go ahead and pick whatever would best represent her work. The only thing is leave out anything that involves medication or the FDA, just because that doesn't go into her voice as much as the rest of the content. And this is primarily going to be for creating YouTube scripts. And so the great thing is if you've already got a ton of content online, then you can grab your tone of voice and create a voice guide that can be useful for any format. So whether it's creating more blog content, turning it into YouTube scripts, whatever you want. If you don't have any content, then you can still run this and it'll walk you through a detailed step-by-step interview process to get your tone of voice directly from you. So now I can see that it has pulled these 5 articles. All right, and now it's starting to pick up on how Sydney operates and how she writes. So it's casual and conversational, parenthetical asides everywhere. She writes like she's talking to a friend, not presenting a lecture. It's direct but inclusive, short, punchy, plain language with science layered in. Self-deprecating humor is the core personality. That's Sydney 100%. So once you've confirmed that, what it's doing now is it's going to move on to creating calibration samples. So basically, it's going to give you 2 scripts side by side, and it's going to ask you to choose between which script best represents the voice. And you can either just say version A or version B, or you can give feedback and it'll take that feedback, refine the samples, and give you back 2 more samples. And you can keep that loop going for as long as you need to until you feel like it's nailed it. So yesterday I realized it was 9 p.m. and I hadn't eaten a single thing all day. Not because I was busy, not because I forgot to go grocery shopping, because I was playing Zelda and my brain genuinely did not register that my body needed food. Version A is definitely much closer to Sydney's tone. And in this case, I'm not going to do the whole back and forth, but you can do that as much as you want. And so what it's going to do now is it's going to take refined versions building on the sample that you chose. And let's see what the differences are. Okay, so let's go with version A1. That's still holding the tone of voice perfectly. So let's move on to the next step. And so now what it's going to do is once it feels like it's gotten a solid sense of what the tone of voice is, it's going to create a new script based on that to see if it's nailed it. All right, let's see. Need to get something off my chest. If one more person tells me that everyone's a little HD, I might actually lose it, because no, not everyone is a little ADHD. You wouldn't tell a diabetic that everyone's a little diabetic. This is exactly what Sydney sounds like. So again, if anything was a little off, you could refine it some more, give it feedback. So now what it's doing is it's starting to generate the voice guide. What she sounds like, what her voice rules are, what not to do, what her tone spectrum is, words and phrases to use, words and phrases to avoid, sentence patterns. And the great thing about this is that this is a version 1, right? So you're always going to be able to iterate on this. You're always going to be able to run this again and ask it to refine the voice guide that you've created, whether it's right away if you feel like it's not up to par, or after some time where you feel like you've been honing in your voice and you want to give it some more samples to work with. So what it's going to do now is it is going to take that voice guide and it's going to spawn a sub agent, and it's going to give it this voice guide and ask the sub agent independently to come up with new writing samples. Will it be able to generate some content that matches your tone of voice. So let's see what it comes up with. So I have a closet, and I mean this literally, a closet full of abandoned hobbies. Knitting needles, a ukulele I played for 2 weeks, watercolor paints that are now just dried out little bricks. Oh, and a resin kit that I was so sure was going to become my whole personality. Spoiler, it did not. That is Sydney to a T. So the tone of voice guide has nailed it. And I don't know how many times you guys have tried to create tone of voice guides, even just from blog samples, but I know I have, and they usually don't come back this accurate this quickly. But in this case, because this tone of voice skill is dedicated exactly to pulling out the tone of voice, it nailed it on the first go. And so now what it's going to do is it is going to save your tone of voice guide in a reference folder. So you can now use this voice guide that you've created in the end-to-end content production workflow that I mentioned in the beginning. That's a production workflow that starts with helping you come up with what you're going to write about, what the topics are. It does the keyword research for you. It drafts, it reviews your drafts. And when you plug this tone of voice guide into that content production workflow, that's when you start getting results. That's when you start creating content that is ready to rank on Google. So make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.